Hello everyone, as you can see, I easily earn $50 a day on Bitget without any trading, as we can see here. If you want to earn $50 a day like me without having a trade, make sure to follow my channels and watch this video until the end. So many beginners just getting into crypto often look for ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. For beginners, jumping straight into trading can be quite challenging and risky. That's why in this video, I will share 5 ways to make money on Bitget without trading. So in this video, we will cover how can beginners make risk-free money on Bitget, and is Bitget safe, and how can you register on Bitget for a permanent 20% fee discount. Let's dive right in. What features on Bitget allows beginners to make money without trading? Let's take a look. So the first one is Bitget saving, the second one is Bitget new coin mining launchboard, the third one is Bitget POR-X, the fourth one is Bitget SharkFin product, and the fifth one is the Bitget Smart Trade product. So what are these features, how do they work, and how should we use them? Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step, and at the end of this video I will demonstrate how to use these products so you can learn quickly and easily. So first, let's talk about Bitget savings. In simple terms, think of it as a saving account at a bank. You can deposit your idle USDT, USDC, or other cryptocurrency into Bitget savings to earn interest. Some of you may wonder where the interest comes from. So Bitget lends your deposited cryptocurrency to margin traders or leverage traders who pays interest on their loans. The last question is Bitget savings safe? Yes, it is very safe because your funds remain within the Bitget exchange and are not moved elsewhere, so you don't risk defaults like in the real world. However, it is important to know the risk associated with Bitget itself. Next, let's talk about Bitget's launchboard in the simple terms. Launchboard involves 3 things. So the first, it is the projects that Bitget has carefully selected and deemed high quality. Second, projects that have deep collaboration with Bitget. Third, the project teams will distribute some of their tokens for free to Bitget users and BGB holders as a promotion strategy. This means you can earn tokens for free through Bitget's launchboard. And some of you may wonder, is launchboard safe? Yes, it is very safe because you receive these tokens for free through Bitget, so there is no risk involved. So now let's look at Bitget's POR-X in simple terms. POR-X projects are the first to be listed on Bitget. Like launchboard, the project teams will distribute some tokens for free to Bitget users and BGB holders as a promotional strategy. Then you may wonder, what is the difference between POR-X and launchboard? So launchboard projects are generally higher quality, while POR-X projects are more average. And personally, I sell the tokens I earn from POR-X for profit, but I may hold on to launchboard tokens if I believe in the project's potential. And then let's discuss Bitget SharkFin's product simply. So first, SharkFin is essentially a structured product based on the options. Its main feature is that it is a no-risk, principal protected product, so there is no need to worry about risk. And third, it combines fixed and floating returns with financial derivatives to create a financial product. Finally, let's look at Bitget Smart Trade product in simple terms. Like the SharkFin product, Smart Trade is also a structured product based on options and is a no-risk, principal protected product. Also, it combines fixed and floating returns with financial derivative to create a financial product. So now that we have a basic understanding of these 5 products, you first need a Bitget account if you want to participate. So let's see how to register on Bitget and get a permanent 20% fee discount. So to get this discount, use the link in the video description and enter the referral code CPVS2445 when you sign up. You can also scan the QR code to register. As long as you use the link or referral code, you will get a permanent 20% fee discount. And one important thing to know is to ensure your VPN is not in registered regions like the US, Canada, Hong Kong, or the UK. Using those in Taiwan or South Korea for more relaxed policy is recommended. How do you register for a Bitget account? And on the left, you will see the PC versions, and on the right, you will see the mobile versions. You can open the link directly or enter the referral code CPVS2445. You will get a permanent 20% discount using the link or the referral codes. And also, Bitget allows you to register using either an email or a phone number. I recommend using Gmail or Outlook for better security. Now, if you've already registered on Bitget, how can you enjoy the 20% fee discount? You won't get this fee discount if you don't use my referral link to sign up. You will need to delete your current account and re-register using my link, but enter the referral code CPVS2445 to get the 20% fee discount. So on the mobile app, click the menu in the top left and tap your UID, which is here. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the option to close your account. Follow the prompt to complete the process. But there is an important note when you close your account. First, withdraw all assets from your account to another exchange or wallet before closing your account, or you will lose them. Second, you can already used the send email, phone number, and KYC information after deleting your accounts, so don't worry about that. So next, I will demonstrate how to use Bitget saving to earn risk-free income. So now, as you can see, we are on the Bitget website. Head over to Earns on the main menu to see all of Bitget's financial products. Among them, you will find savings. Click on it to go to the Bitget saving pages. Earlier, I explained that Bitget saving is like a saving account at a bank. So here, you can deposit your idle cryptocurrency to earn passive income with flexible or fixed terms. Bitget saving supports many cryptocurrency, but the most commonly used one are USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC. Let's use USDT as an example to see how Bitget savings works. First, find USDT, a stable coin pegged to the US dollar. You can see its reference annual yield is 4.5%. Click on the USDT detail, you will see two types of products, one for regular users and one for VIP users. The regular product is available to everyone with terms of flexible 7 days and 40 days. The maximum annual yield for flexible terms is 9.37% with 2.5% for 7 days terms and 3% for the 40 days terms. The flexible terms offer the highest yields, so click on flexible and then click subscribe to the subscription page. So here you will see subscription details for the USDT flexible saving products. So here we can see the year is tied. Deposits from 0 to 500 USDT earns 9.37% annually, while months over 500 USDT earns 4.37%. I recommended depositing 500 USDT for beginners to get a 9.37% annual yield. So for example, if I enter 14 USDT, the estimate daily income will be displayed. After verifying the details, check the agreement box and then click on convert. So now we've successfully subscribed to the 14 USDT flexible savings product, and the second product is for VIP users, but most users can only subscribe to the regular products. Using Bitget savings, you can earn passive, risk-free annual incomes. Besides USDT, you can also deposit mainstream cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The savings products are flexible with low minimum amounts, making them very user-friendly. So next, let's look at how to use Bitget's launchboard to earn money risk-free. So here we are on the Bitget on homepage. Head over to Earns and find launchboard, which is here. Click on it to go to the Bitget launchboard page. So this page shows a completely Merlin project on Bitcoin second layer network. There are details like web papers, official websites, and rules. And the total reward was worth 330,000 Merlin tokens with a mining period for 10 days. The Merlin projects have two ports, a BGB port and a USDT port. The BGB ports let you stake BGB to earn Merlin tokens for free, while the USDT port lets you stake USDT to earn Merlin tokens for free. So for beginners, I recommend staking USDT since its value doesn't fluctuate, unlike BGB, which can vary in price and potentially lead to losses. So now we can choose the USDT pool to proceed. So we can see that the total reward pool is 66,000 Merlin token with a 10 days mining period, and the daily reward pool is 6,600 Merlin tokens with 94 million USDT staked and an ROI of about 0.11%. The maximum stake per person is 20,000 USDT. So Bitget set a cap on individual stake to be more friendly to retail and new users, preventing large holders from monopolizing the rewards. To stake USDT, simply enter the amount you wish to stake, for example 100 USDT, and click on convert to complete the staking process. So Bitget distribute rewards hourly to your spot accounts, making it very straightforward. And also you can click on redeems anytime to cancel your funds if you want to withdraw. So some may ask why participate if the ROI is so low. Essentially, my USDT is idle and the Merlin project is popular, so I stake it to earn some Merlin tokens. If Merlin tokens increase in value, my potential ROI could be higher. Most importantly, since I am staking USDT and earning Merlin tokens for free, there is no risk for loss. It simply prevents my funds from sitting idle. Additionally, besides Merlin, there has been other projects like ENA, so we can use our USDT to earn risk-free rewards on Bitget's launchboard. So next, let's use Bitget PearX to earn risk-free rewards. And again, go to Bitget homepage, head over Earns, and find PearX. Click on it to go to PearX page. So PearX lets you stay idle assets to earn free tokens from projects on Bitget. You will see many projects you may not have heard of here, but that's okay. So each project will have like Bitcoins, Ethereum ports with attractive annual yields. If you have idle assets like USDT or BGB or Bitcoins, you can stake them in this pool to earn risk-free rewards. So previously I mentioned that that ProX projects may have been top tiers, so if you stake USDT to earn these tokens, I recommend selling them immediately for profit. This is the best approach for beginners. So now let's choose an example project from ProX, like the FDUSD project. The total reward pool is about 56,000 FDUSD tokens with 4 days remaining. We will focus on the USDT pool as it is the most beginners friendly and risk-free. So the USDT pool APR is just under 10% with a total stake of around 47 million USDT. So two participants select USDT pool and claim on stake. So this takes you to the operation page. So on the right, you will find details about FDUSD projects, including white papers, official website rules, and total pool size, event duration, and time remaining. Below is your personal staking information, like how many you staked and how many you earned. So if we want to stake more, enter the amount you wish to stake with a minimum 50 USDT. Enter 50 USDT, check everything, and click on stake. Then you will successfully stake. After staking, you don't need to do anything else. Bitget distribute rewards hourly to your Spot account. Check your earning in your Spot account by clicking the wallet, which is here in the upper right corner. It is very simple. And now let's look at how we can use Bitget Exchange SharkFin product to make risk-free profits. Understanding these SharkFin products and the trade products we will introduce later may be a bit complex, so make sure to listen carefully. And let's go back to the Bitget Exchange official website. Head over to Earned, and you will easily find the SharkFin products. The introduction here explains that SharkFin guarantee the principal and earn for a high return. Click on SharkFin to take a closer look at this product. So now we are on the SharkFin page. Bitget's official descriptions of the SharkFin product is enhanced years with principal guarantees investment. And then let's look at all the product listed below. There are several options. Let's carefully review each one. So you can see that the first one is invest Bitcoin to buy Bitcoin SharkFin, and the second one is invest USDT to buy Bitcoin SharkFin, and the third one is investing Ethereum to buy Ethereum SharkFin, and the fourth product is invest USDT to buy Ethereum SharkFin. So they are followed by their respective APR range and price range. So what does this mean? Let's take a look one by one. So first, let's click on invest Bitcoin for Bitcoin SharkFin and then click on to be settled. So this will take us to the Bitcoin subscriptions for the Bitcoin SharkFin page. Here, the official information assures us that this product is guaranteed without risk of loss. Let's first read its introduction. The APR rate for this product is 6% to 8.55% with a price range of 65,100 to 70,600. So you may have a question about the price range here. Let's not get into that just yet. Let's continue reading. Below that is the term. It is 70 days, meaning there is a lockup period of 70 days after subscription. Finally, the settlement time is 9 a.m. on June 5th, 2024. On the right side are detailed rules. Let's carefully read through them together. This product can result in two scenarios. So the first scenario is when Bitcoin costs between 65,100 and 70,600. On the graph below, you can see that this price range is shaped like a fin of a shark. As long as the final settlement price of Bitcoin falls within this shady area, we can earn an APR of 6.02% to 8.55%. Of course, the APR depends on the price of Bitcoin at settlement. For example, if it is ended in the middle, it may be around 8%, and if it settles at 70,600, it will be 8.55%. If it settles at 65,100, it will be slightly over 6%. So I think everyone understands the first scenario. It depends on where the price of Bitcoin settles at the time of settlement. If it is within the shady area of 65,100 to 70,600, we can earn a return between 6% and 8.5% corresponding to the price. The other scenario is when the price of Bitcoin is less than 65,100 or more than 70,600, in which case we still earn a fixed annual returns of 6%. Both sides of returns are events with a guaranteed 6% returns of principal. Therefore, Bitget Exchange SharkFin product allows beginners and novices to make risk-free profits. Additionally, the minimum guaranteed annual return is 6%, which is certainly better than depositing money in a bank. And then let me answer one final question. What is a Bitcoin subscription for Bitcoin SharkFin? Bitcoin subscription means using Bitcoin to subscribe to Bitcoin SharkFin. By using our Bitcoin assets for these subscriptions, our price automatically depends on Bitcoin's future price trend. Since we use Bitcoins for subscriptions, the settlement profit is also in Bitcoins. So here it is called investing Bitcoins for Bitcoin shoving. Next, let's look at the second product, invest USDT for Bitcoin shoving. Click on to be settled to enter the detail page. So the basic detail and rules are mostly the same. The only difference is that the previous one was Bitcoins for Bitcoin shoving, while this one using USDT to subscribe to Bitcoin shoving. The difference is that we hold USDT and invest USDT, but the settlement depends on the fluctuations of Bitcoin's price. Therefore, I recommend that beginners interested in shoving use USDT to subscribe to Bitcoin shoving or USDT to subscribe to Ethereum shoving. This way, you are holding stable coins throughout, and the final profit is also in stable coins, so your assets won't fluctuate with the price. And the logic is the same for Ethereum below. Click on invest USDT for Ethereum shoving and click on here now to enter the subscription page. We can see that we use USDT to subscribe to Ethereum shoving, and settlement is based on the final price of Ethereum. The APR range for this product is 6% to 9% with a lockup period of 7 days, beyond which redemption is not possible. The price range is 3,610 and 4,010, and the settlement time is 9 AM on June 5th. This product also have two scenarios. So one scenario is when the final settlement price is between 3,610 and 4,010, in which case we can earn the annualized returns corresponding to the Ethereum price at that time within this range. And if the settlement price exceeds the shadow range, being less than 3,610 or more than 4,010, we can still passively earn a 6% annual return. Therefore, this product is user-friendly and ideal for beginners to make risk-free products on Bitget exchange. Finally, let's take a look at how to use Bitget exchange smart trade products to earn risk-free money. First, go to the Bitget official website, hover your mouse over earns and find smart trade under the shoving product. Click on smart trade to enter the interface. According to the official introduction, smart trade is a new principal guaranteed higher investment product suitable for rising and falling markets. It is also a principal guarantee product, so there is no need to worry about the risk of loss. So next, let's take a closer look at the smart trade products. So several smart trade products are available, so including invest USDT bullish Bitcoin smart trade and also invest in USDT bullish Ethereum smart trade. And so this means that we have a bullish trade product for Bitcoin, so we can purchase it with Bitcoin, USDT, or BGB. So what's the difference? It is just currency we use to make the purchase. So if you have Bitcoin or BGB, you can use this currency to purchase the bullish Bitcoin smart trade. If you have USDT, you can use it to purchase the bullish Bitcoin smart trade. The difference is lies in the currency used for the purchase. For beginners, I recommend using USDT for the purchase because USDT is a stable coin pegged to the US dollar, so there is no price fluctuation, ensuring no risk of loss. So apart from purchasing the bullish Bitcoin smart trade, we can also purchase the bullish Ethereum smart trade like here, and the bearish Bitcoin smart trade, and finally bearish Ethereum smart trade. So to summarize, we can use our USDT to purchase smart trades for bullish and bearish Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's click on invest USDT for the bullish Bitcoin smart trade and look at this product. We can see that the profit range for this product is an annualized return for 4.5% to 18.68%, and the price range is from $17,000 to $75,000. So clicking subscribe, we enter the purchase page and see the price range on the left. The term is also 7 days, meaning the investment is locked for 7 days and cannot be redeemed within that period. And the price is $70,000 to $75,000, and the settlement time is 8 AM on June 7th. So here there are three scenarios for the smart trade: below $17,000 and above $75,000 and between $17,000 and $75,000. So for the scenario below $17,000, the annualized return is 4.5%. So looking at the function curve, we can see that if Bitcoin price is below $17,000 at the settlement, we earn the risk-free process annualized returns of 4.5%. So for the scenario about $75,000, since it is a bullish Bitcoin smart trade, if Bitcoin's price raise, we earn a risk-free positive annualized returns of 18.58%. So we profit from the raise, we lose from a fall and get a risk-free process annualized returns of 4.5%. So in the third scenario, if Bitcoin price is between $17,000 and $75,000 at settlement, so this is what you will typically see in the graph. It looks like a shoving. The final profit depends on where the settlement price falls within these shovings. So in a sense, this smart trade product allows us to back on Bitcoin's rise and fall using USDT. If we back correctly, we can earn a higher annualized trading cons. If we bet incorrectly, we do not lose money and can still earn a risk-free annualized return of 4.5%. So regarding the smart trade product from Bitget exchange, I'd like to share a strategy that I think is great for beginners. With this product, you can use USDT to subscribe to either to bullish or bearish trends of Bitcoin. For example, if you have $1,000, you can allocate 500 to the bullish trend and 500 to the bearish trend. So this approach covers three possible scenarios. The first, Bitcoin goes up, go down, or staying flat. In the case of a fair market, you can still earn an annual return of 4.5%, regardless of whatever Bitcoin's rise or falls at the time of settlement. You have a high chance of earning a good annualized returns because you have hedged your bets by investing in both directions, and these investments are principal protected. And then I suggest beginners to USDT and dive their funds into full part, 1/4 for Bitcoin's bullish trends, and 1/4 for Bitcoin's bearish trends, and 1/4 for Ethereum's bullish trends, and last 1/4 for Ethereum's bearish trends. By diversifying like this, you will likely earn a good annualized returns on at least half of your funds. I believe the smart trade product is perfect for beginners who are not yet familiar with trading. You can use this product to earn higher returns from Bitcoin and Ethereum price movement while you're keeping your principal safe. Alright, that's all for this video. I strongly recommend using the link below the video to register on Bitget and get a 20% discount on transaction fees. Don't underestimate this saving from reducing transaction fees. They can significantly increase your profit. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and thank you. See you next one.